My first visit to Barewood was literally like stepping into all of my childhood secret garden dreams times 1,000,000. Barewood feels like a place that has been created as a movie set, but really it's just a slow, sprawling extension of creative expression.
I love the quote that Gertrude Jekyll said, "A garden should curtsy to the house," and I loved the old 100-year homestead. So really that's where I started. Keeps me very happy. I mean, I've gardened for 40 years and love it as much today as I ever did the first time. It's my happy place.
She has this amazing vision that she can imagine very clearly what she's going to end up with.
Gardening is painting a picture, but it is never ever finished, and that for me is the joy.